What's up YouTube? This is Rock Gamer here, and today we are going to be playing some Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my first video. If there is anything wrong with it, please tell me and by subscribing, and that would be amazing. So today we are going to be playing some Gardens and Graveyards. I have played this game for quite a while. And I just got my YouTube channel, so now I can actually start recording. Here, we are playing on Walnut Hills Night. And sorry about the glare, but in some parts of time, there will be glare and there won't be glare. But at least you can still see most of it, at least. And if you guys want me to do anything with the cameras, please tell me, because then I can fix it, and that'll be better. I am playing on the PS3 right now, and I can play other games like Minecraft or Skylanders, something like that, if you guys want me to. So just subscribe. And here, we are starting right now. And I'm gonna be, let's say, the Sky Trooper. Sky Trooper is one of my favorite characters. Huh, it looks like it's just now starting. That's awesome. Oh my god, like, seriously, just started. So that means... Die! If you guys didn't see that, I just got wrecked. Badly. At least the teleport's up. So yeah. Also tip, if this sticky bomb is like that, it means it's about to blow up, I'm pretty sure. If it's not the normal. Oh, there we go. Later.
I could open these.
Okay. I'm sorry if I'm not talking in some minutes of time. I'm just concentrating quite a lot on the game. So if you guys want me to do some other things for this channel, I will do it. As you see, I have gotten a total of 0 vanquishes so far. This would be amazing. If you guys could tell me if you could see the name that has like Wonder in it, that would be like amazing. Because that is actually one of my friends, and he plays this. Later. I'm gonna die. Don't see me. Run! Okay, I think they are gone. Let's see. But just... they're not dead yet. Oh my gosh! Yeah, this is gonna kill me. Oh no. Oh. If, also, when it's Halloween, or around Halloween, which it just about is, I will be making a Halloween... Eden! Oh, sorry guys, sorry. Sorry about the camera, it's just my little sister. And yes, there are 4 more days until Halloween, unless I want me to tell you guys that. What is it? Over there? Yeah, it's right there. Please place it down. But, bruh. Oh, here we go. I thought there was actually somebody being done. Oh my gosh. Someone wanted to be here. Dude. As you guys can see, I am focusing on that chomper. Okay, that was a weird noise by the chomper. I'm pretty sure that was the chomper. I hope it was. Yeah, he's got. I can't believe that dude did not see me. Oh, okay, yeah, they see me. I'm gonna kill me. Yeah, that dude's coming. Kill him. Oh my gosh, how did they get up there? Get out. Oh, sorry about the turn, guys. Super sorry. I am trying to do my best and making the camera still and all that. Hello? I hope that I have pretty soon. Holy goodness. Bruh. Got him. Finger straight times 7. That's what I wanna say, bruh. And if you can choose snipers like me, tip, the best one is probably the Camo Ranger, because he will let you go real far, like, you can zoom in quite a lot, and he does like 16 damage every shot. Get out. Finger straight time, like, I forget what I was just talking about. I really like this dude because he's probably like the fastest shooting guy, like as a zombie, or maybe like in awe. And he also does quite a lot of damage. It's like 6 every shot. What? Get out. Oh, come on, bruh. Bruh! You're so mean. I bet. No, hey, I'm not allowed to curse. I don't know. There's only 30 seconds left! Bruh. Oh, come on, the timer has to go. And I will be making 1 to 2 videos every day. Like the weekdays. So, I am deeply sorry if I don't make a video. Maybe because of like a holiday, or I'm just like super busy. Thank you, Saya. Please place down a healing message. Or not. And most of my videos will be from like 15 to 20, maybe even 30 minutes long. Oh my gosh! How was it? Hey, you just got shot. Also, you know how some people just do things like implants, or use their ZPGs to get rid of the germs? That's just a really bad idea because you're just wasting it, and really it's not going to do much. Like, you don't really have a chance, basically. Like there's no way. Also, if you guys want to do a video trolling people, I can. I would totally do that. I am a total troller, and like my name was gonna be Troller anyways. My name was gonna be Troll Gamer. Now who shot me? Oh, because you can shoot auto fire, huh? You can't. Then there's 5 pea shooters in a session. Yeah, okay. There is a same thing. Bruh. Okay. I actually am failing a lot right now. And I feel like one time, I died so many times, I got an achievement called, or I got like a trophy, and it was called, like, hunting season or something like that. And really, I did not really like it. Oh, because you didn't got a what, huh? Oh, you're dead. Whoa! You see, when that is happening, you probably like always want to turn. And if he is about to shoot, if he is about to jump you, what you want to do is you want to like use your ZPG. Like, you want to do it at the ground because then you won't be able to hit you. Give me a second. Wait, I already have full health. There you are. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Boo! I hope he doesn't have goop. Those dudes are gonna kill me. Yeah, they killed me. Where's the goop? Or not. Okay, I have a total of 13. The highest is 19. And if you guys want me to do, like, say something like, bruh, you just have to. You just have to. I'm trying to get to Peach. Because that's one of my challenges. This is annoying. I should say I'm just gonna kill me. Bruh. Okay, I cannot do that. Oh, hello. 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 Okay, I need one more. Oh, you. Yeah. 16 seconds! Bruh. If you guys want me to do like a character challenge where like I play as a certain character, I can do that because I have like all the characters in the game. And we just lost, or not. Yeah, we did. I was like, yeah, we're gonna win. Wait, nope. But, because I have like basically almost like all the characters. There's only like 2, maybe 3 characters I don't have. And yeah. So I got the Vanquish Master, and mine was 11. My highest ever was 77, which I was actually like super surprised. Oh my gosh! Do you guys see it? Well, you probably can't because of the glare. But if you guys look next to that heart, that dude has gotten a total of 100 heals and 15 revives. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I'm trying to my best. This is my first video, so don't go harsh on me about graphics and glare and stuff. But I will try and make it better. I thought that the lights off would get rid of some glare. It kind of does, but also doesn't. Yeah. Hey, I had the 3rd highest rank on our server, and I also can do like a live stream. If I will do a live stream every so often when I make a video. But it probably won't be like a common thing, obviously. And since my challenge as a zombie was Vanquish 5 pea shooters in the session, which I didn't, I'm gonna be a pea shooter. And I have a specific one I'm gonna play as. And I'm gonna be playing as the berry shooter. And yes, I have them. Actually, I want to be the toxic. I want to be the berry shooter because I've been playing as in a while. And, like, everyone is playing as him lately. I don't know why. Same thing with some people, like, everyone is saying just normal pea shooters in the game. I do not know why. If you guys know, please tell me, because I'd like to know. So basically, just follow it along. Hey, you shooting at me. See, look, bear shooter. What is wrong with all these bear shooters? Okay, there's a cactus. That's gonna be on my other things. Where does engineer? They don't. Yeah, dude. Take that. So yeah, if you're a pea shooter, you definitely want to be here because if you get the sombrero beam bomb, or just a cherry beam bomb, that means you can just vanquish everyone. Come on, sombrero beam bomb, sombrero, no! You see, I could have at the last second, like the second I died, it was like already ready. Oh my gosh! Okay, they're mad. They're mad about last time. Because there's only four zombies in here. That's gotta help. I got 0 vanquish. Actually, bruh. Also, you can die from these jackals. Okay, yeah, the berry shooter is horrible. He's like the worst fish. Okay, yeah, they're pissed about what happened last time. I was gonna see me. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, I'm dead. I'll be right back. Coming!
I already took a shower. Yeah.
Guys, I am back. My dad just had to ask me one question if I took my shower. I think so. Okay, can I finish my video? Sorry about that, guys. But I took my shower early today, so my dad was like, "Did you take a shower?" So this dude is. Oh, I actually got my first vanquish, right? Yeah, my first vanquish. Dude, I have no. I have lost no health. I'm gonna need it. I'm going to get to it. Damn, never seen it. Why are these guys so upset? Why can't you just... Oh, because that's gonna help, huh? Oh my gosh, finger strip times 2.
Puppy.
Don't ever see me coming. Eden, I'm a little busy.
I'll hold the camera
Eden.
and do that for you, okay?
No, Eden.
What you got? Oh, no, okay.
No, don't tease me.
Put a plate for her.
Eden, Daddy said I can finish my video.
Did anyone else hear that?
Yeah?
Oh,
Die!
die, Zoma, die. Die, die.
Yeah, there it goes. I have gotten a total of like 3 languages. 2. Yeah, I'm changing it, guys. To the toxic P. No, Eden, they can't see you. I'm sorry, guys. No, Eden, stop. You're probably gonna accidentally press the stop button, and then I'm gonna restart all over again. Bro, that was totally my kid. That's totally my dad. Obviously. Oh, because there always is someone behind me, huh? Yeah, always is.
Oh, you're a pea
Someone
shooter.
wanna come help me, please? Like, please. Hello? It's nice seeing you.
I know where to shoot. Because you're a pea shooter.
Nope. 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 Get
Is
out.
that a real
I'm coming.
octopus?
I'm glad. Oops, sorry guys. Oh my gosh. The camera is horrible. He's fine. I'm deeply sorry about the camera. It's just I'm holding up my feet right now. There are a lot of people. One language. Hello.
That's just so cool. Uh, 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 uh. Don't you dare look up again when you're out on the roof.
Please don't come right in. I was hoping that some firework do them.
They're not changing.
I like
What can a pea shooter blend in with?
like nothing.
Only a cactus could blend in with a cactus.
Basically, yeah. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, here, giddy up. More.
It's gonna hide over here. Oh, damage times 7. Awesome.
Hey, help someone! Some people are dead.
Yeah, I know that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I have to. If I don't die, I'm gonna be so proud, bruh.
If you say bro, some people don't like that word.
Eden, you're not the boss.
Some people don't.
I knew but you over here, I can't. Bruh. Oh, sorry. Also, I came.
Snap.
You and me are gonna have to switch places. Like now. Well, not now, but soon. Like now. Okay. I'm sorry about the camera right now, guys, but right now I'm not doing anything. My phone is about to die, so I gotta be on the charge. Eden, you gotta move. Oh, why did I... Eden, move! Thank you. Okay, well, nothing interesting has happened, guys. Unless you guys think getting the charger on my phone is interesting. Yeah, that's all that happened. Oh my gosh. I'm like on the edge of the couch. So this is the best I can get. No. Here. I think I got a good opportunity. I'm sorry it's not the best, guys, but it's the best I can do. It's my first video anyways, so I actually never realized I was at that. I'm gonna hit it. Oh, that's sweet. It's just like someone's near.
Get that zombie.
Yeah, that's gonna do nothing. You know, guys, I'm just gonna have the camera like this. Because it's basically either this or crooked. And I think this way is a lot better. You still don't have the tip. Fire! Also, it's clear who's gonna die.
Did you see her phone?
No. Wow, that's actually pretty cool how he came here at the very last second. Oh, I've got some 12. Nice one. Yeah, the pea shooter is thought out. I wonder if he can get up there. Like, there. You probably can't. You probably could, but you probably, like, fall. Say hello to my new friend. Yeah, because that's going to kill me. So far, my video is 27. Yeah, 27 minutes long. It's probably going to be about... Oh my gosh, there's only a minute left. Not at the video, but maybe at the video. Probably. But when I finish this video, when I'm done with this video, I'm just going to make like a new one like immediately. Nope. Joy. Hey, Les!
The zombies are coming in.
Also, this is just a pro tip.
I'm good.
But, Eden, be quiet right now, please.
Good.
Sure. Oh my gosh, that's kind of... Like, those dudes up there are going to kill us. Get out.
Anybody can go to zombies.
Yeah, please stop. Oh, we did it, guys. We have... So yeah, that'll be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want me to, well, I obviously will. But hey, look, I got Finger Strike Master. Again. But if you guys want me to, I will make a Halloween special in Minecraft, which I obviously will. And please share this video with your friends and or family, or both. And I'll be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video.